Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up a working code environment using your mobile device, specifically for Android users, right? So I'm currently on a Samsung, I think it's A05. So that's what I'll be using for this tutorial today. Yeah. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go to Play Store. I would check for Termux. Yeah. So if you don't have Termux installed, you can just click here to install Termux. But since I have it installed, I would skip out that part. And the next app I want to install is called Acode, like this. Then if you don't have it installed, like I said earlier, just click on install as well. So I have the two applications installed, so I'm just going to close that out. I have them in my dev folder here. All right. So first thing I want to do is I want to open a code. Yes, I want to open a code first. Okay, as you can see, I have a couple of files opened here. I would get into that shortly. So for now, let me close out this file so I'll be able to open them from the beginning and show you guys as well. So what I want to do here is I have a folder already for this tutorial. So I'm going to open up that folder. I have it in my, where do I have it? I have it in this home folder and I called it hello world, right? So I'm going to click here and I'm going to open. So I'm going to open the folder here. So it's going to tell me if the files are too many, it's going to crash the app or something. So I'm going to click OK. Okay, so now I have my folder opened here. I have a couple of files we'll be going through one by one here, but the first thing I want us to do is I want to, okay, let's go through the HTML file first. So it's pretty easy to run HTML file in this place, like, or to preview HTML code in this place. So what I just want to click here is I want to click this play button by the top right. So it would show me the web page here automatically, right? And there's an option to also open it in an external browser, but I wouldn't be doing that for now. So I'm going to just go back and I want to run my Golang code and all this Python code and JavaScript and all of them. So what I'm going to do is I need a terminal to do that. So I would come to this stored button here, the plugins button. I have a plugin installed called Acode X terminal. So that's what I want you guys to search for in your plugin. So search for Acode X terminal, or if you search for Acode X, it will just bring it for you in your Explore tab. So since I have it installed already, but I'm going to just show you guys. So the plugin is here like this. So you would see it says Acode X terminal emulator, blah, blah, blah. Then you just scroll down here. You would see a command for the installation, right? This is the command I want you guys to copy. So you just click on copy button here. Then I would open my Termux, which I have here. I'm going to open Termux and I'm going to paste this code on Termux like this. So I have this installed previously. It's going to try to reinstall it again or something, but I'll just let this run. I'll probably pause the video and come back when this is done. So my installation just completed here. So I want to run this command to start the acodex server. So I would run acode capital X hyphen server like this. So if I hit enter, the server should be started. So then I would go back to Acode here. I would come to my file explorer. I would open my Golang code here, right? So the next thing I want to do is I want to hit Control K to open the terminal, right? So it says the terminal section and session has been created. So the first thing I want to do, if you don't have Golang installed on your Acode, you can use this package to install it, pkg install Golang. Of course, I have that installed already, so I'm not going to run it again. So I'm going to check the Go version I have installed just to show you the installation. So I have Go version 1.23 installed. So to run this code for the Golang, right, I'll click on this folder button here, right? So the folder button I have here is what I want to click so that I would be able to I would be able to be inside the current directory that I have these files. I'll click it. You can see I have this same hello world folder that is opened here. So I would in the command go run hello.go. So this will run my Golang code for me, as you can see. So the next file I want to run is the JavaScript. Okay, let's run the Python file first. So I have Python, I think 3.12 installed. So let's check the version I have installed. So I have 3.12 installed. So I'm going to clear this up. Then I'm going to run this Python code I have here. That's the hello.py. So I'm going to run Python hello.py. Then you can see I have hello.py here. So the next code I want to run is the JavaScript file, right? So I have Node installed already, right? I have Node 22 installed already. So to run JavaScript using Node, I simply do node hello.js like this, and it runs my JavaScript code for me. It's that simple. And lastly, to run TypeScript. Yes, to run TypeScript, you need to install something extra. Since you have Node installed, usually it should come with something called npm. So I'm going to install an extra package here called tsx, but I want to install it globally. That was why I added the -g option. So I'll hit enter here. So I have this installed already though, so it should be a little bit um faster. Yes, so I have it installed already. So I'm going to clear this up as well. And I'm going to run the TypeScript code like this. I would say tsx hello.ts. Then it should run the TypeScript code for me, just like this. So you guys can see how easy it is to run numerous programming languages using Termux and Acode, right? So of course you can always install other programming languages or other tools that you work with using this procedure as well, right? But the few limitations I have not explored for this is maybe for if you are building a graphical user interface or you are building, of course, this would be difficult to build a mobile app. I don't think it's possible anyways. So, but if you are working on front-end web design and you are working on back-end, I think you should be fine, right? So with this little setup, you can kickstart your journey in learning programming. That's probably front end for web and back end as well. So yeah, that's about it on running codes on your mobile device using Android specifically. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep the channel running and motivated. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.